Have you ever wondered why some people wake up feeling like they've conquered the world, while others drag themselves out of bed, groggy and exhausted, no matter how many hours they've slept? What if I told you that the answer might be hiding in your kitchen, in the form of humble plants that work silently through the night to balance your blood sugar and energize your mornings? This isn't just another health tip, it's a story about how nature's simplest ingredients can have a profound impact on your body, your energy, and your life. So grab a cup of tea, maybe one with cinnamon or ginger, and let's dive into a tale of science, tradition, and transformation. The sugar trap, a modern dilemma. Picture this: it's late at night. You're curled up on the couch, battling a craving for something sweet. Maybe it's a bowl of ice cream, a piece of chocolate, or a handful of cookies. You give in, savoring the momentary bliss, only to wake up the next morning feeling sluggish, irritable, and craving more sugar. Sound familiar? This isn't just a story about willpower, it's about biology. Excess sugar disrupts your body's delicate balance, leading to fatigue, inflammation, and a vicious cycle of cravings. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle? What if the plant sitting in your pantry right now could help you regain control? The Silent Healers, 12 plants that work while you sleep. Let's take a journey through the world of plants that have been scientifically proven to regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support your body's natural rhythms. These aren't magic potions, they're time-tested remedies that have been used for centuries, now backed by modern science. 1. Ginger, the spicy guardian. Ginger is more than just a zesty addition to your meals, it's a multifaceted healer. Its active compounds, gingerols and shogaols, work in tandem to regulate blood sugar. Fresh ginger is particularly rich in gingerols, which directly stimulate glucose uptake in muscle cells. When ginger is dried or cooked, gingerols convert to shogaols, which reduce inflammation in fat tissue and restore normal insulin signaling. How to use it? Grate fresh ginger into hot water for a soothing tea, or add it to stir-fries, soups, and smoothies. A 2-inch piece of fresh ginger provides about 2 grams of active compounds. Science says, studies show that ginger can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 12% and improve insulin sensitivity over time. 2. Cinnamon, the sweet regulator. Cinnamon, especially Ceylon cinnamon, is a superstar in blood sugar management. Its compounds, like cinnamaldehyde, enhance insulin sensitivity, helping your cells respond better to insulin. This is particularly useful at night when insulin sensitivity naturally decreases. How to use it? Sprinkle Ceylon cinnamon on oatmeal, yogurt, or evening tea. Aim for 1 to 6 grams per day, about 1 teaspoon. Science says, research shows that 3 grams of Ceylon cinnamon daily can reduce fasting blood sugar by 10 to 15% and improve lipid profiles. 3. Fenugreek, the seed of strength. Fenugreek seeds are a treasure trove of 4-hydroxysoleucine, an amino acid that stimulates insulin release and improves muscle sensitivity. The seeds are also rich in soluble fiber, which slows carbohydrate absorption. How to use it? Soak 10 grams of fenugreek seeds overnight and consume them in the morning. You can also grind them into powder for teas or soups. Science says, studies indicate that fenugreek can lower fasting blood sugar by 10 to 15% and reduce post-meal glucose spikes. 4. Psyllium, the gel matrix. Psyllium husk is a unique fiber that forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, slowing carbohydrate absorption and preventing blood sugar spikes. It's especially effective when taken before meals. How to use it? Mix 5 to 15 grams of psyllium husk with water and drink it 20 to 30 minutes before meals. Science says, research shows psyllium can reduce post-meal glucose spikes by up to 31% and improve fasting blood sugar levels. 5. Berberine, the cellular energizer. Berberine activates AMPK, an enzyme that regulates cellular energy and glucose uptake. It's as effective as metformin, a common diabetes medication, in managing blood sugar. How to use it? Take 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times daily with meals. Science says, studies show berberine can lower fasting blood sugar by 20% and improve lipid profiles. 6. Gymnema Sylvestre, the sugar blocker. Gymnema's gymnemic acids block sugar absorption in the intestines and temporarily deactivate sweet taste receptors, reducing cravings. It also protects and repairs insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. How to use it? Take 400 milligrams of gymnemic acids before meals. Science says, research shows it can reduce fasting blood sugar by 11 to 15% and improve insulin secretion. 7. Garlic, the sulfur savior. Garlic's allicin compounds improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Crushing or chopping garlic activates these compounds, making them more bioavailable. How to use it: crush 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, let them sit for 10 minutes, and add them to your meals. Science says, studies show garlic can lower fasting blood sugar by 12% and protect blood vessels from sugar-related damage. 8. Ginseng, the balancing act. Ginseng's ginsenosides improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fat accumulation. Panax ginseng is particularly effective for blood sugar regulation. How to use it: take 100 to 200 milligrams of Panax ginseng daily. Science says, research shows it can lower fasting blood glucose levels significantly over 8 weeks. 9. Guava, the leafy protector. Guava leaves are rich in quercetin and other flavonoids that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption. The fruit itself is also beneficial due to its high fiber content. How to use it: brew guava leaves into tea or consume fresh guava fruit. Science says, studies show guava leaf tea can reduce post-meal glucose spikes by 20%. 10. Milk thistle, the liver's ally. Milk thistle's silymarin reduces insulin resistance and protects pancreatic beta cells. It's especially effective when paired with berberine. How to use it: take 200 milligrams of silymarin 3 times daily. Science says, research shows it can lower fasting blood sugar by 11 to 12%. 11. Aloe vera, the soothing gel. Aloe vera's polysaccharides stimulate insulin production and reduce inflammation. It's most effective when taken before meals. How to use it: take aloe vera gel or supplements 30 minutes before meals. Science says, studies show it can lower fasting blood glucose levels in people with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. 12. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric's curcumin reduces inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity. Pairing it with black pepper and fat enhances its absorption. How to use it: add turmeric to meals with a pinch of black pepper and a source of fat, like olive oil. Science says, research shows 1,500 milligrams of curcumin daily can lower fasting blood glucose and improve metabolic health. The bigger picture: a symphony of healing. These plants work through different mechanisms, reducing inflammation, protecting pancreatic cells, and improving insulin sensitivity, but they all share a common goal: restoring balance to your body. Their effects are cumulative, so consistency is key. Over weeks and months, they can help you break free from the sugar cycle, boost your energy, and improve your overall health. Your turn. Take the first step. Which of these plants resonates with you? Are you ready to try ginger tea before bed, sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, or soak fenugreek seeds overnight? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's build a community of people committed to natural, sustainable health. If you found this guide helpful, let us know by typing yes in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the power of nature's remedies. Together, we can rewrite the story of our health, one plant at a time.